Hey guys, I wanted to do an update on the Encased phone case that I use for my Motorola Moto Z4. It's the Encased HL86SS. Now, I originally had no problems with this. No problems. I think I used it for about a year almost, which is pretty amazing that I didn't break this off like all the other ones I did. But then all of a sudden, boom, I go to let my phone out and it breaks right off. Right? Now, to my surprise, the only thing holding it was this little teeny plastic here and here on each side. Right? Look at that. See it? That's the only thing holding it, is that little teeny piece of plastic. And yet, they wasted their money and time putting this little piece of plastic on there that says Encased in here. Right? They didn't glue it. They didn't do nothing. I tried to glue it back together, but it didn't work. So if this piece wasn't glued in here, right, you would have had a much stronger clip here. And it would have never broke. But I don't know. I don't know the reasoning behind it, but it has this big giant opening, and the only thing holding it is a little plastic on the edge there. See it? Right there, that's it. So no wonder it broke. After a year of tugging on it, you know. Now, I'm just saying that if they would have glued this in or molded it in, whatever, without making it a separate piece, this would still be working. Anyway, that's just my update on the Encased for the Moto Z4. And that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. If you have one of these and it's not broken yet, I suggest maybe gluing this piece in, right? And then you might have a nice stronger thing. Like me trying to glue it back with only these little ends holding on. And you know what I mean. It just ain't working. But yep. That's that. I had to change cases now. I didn't get another one of these for this reason, or else I would have. But anyway, it did keep my phone safe. It didn't break. I never had a cracked screen, and I dropped it many times with this on and without it on. And yeah, I guess I'm lucky I never dropped it where it hit the face. But alright guys, that's just the update on the Encased. I think it's what it's called, right? Encased HL86SS. Anyway guys, leave your comments. Let me know if you had the same experience. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you get notified of new videos. And leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.